GoPro Hero 1. It's horrible for sound. That's all I've been using. We're just gonna go with the iPhone and just letting the car warm up a little bit. Not loud in here at all. It's full exhaust, full interior car, so no surprises there. So we'll do a couple hits once we get out in the streets, and couldn't have picked a worse time to go do video things. I forgot not everyone has the holiday week off. Rush hour. Bombing around in this 07 with its 410s, huge improvement. Definitely recommend getting that ratio for a pig of a car like this.